Hey guys, the word I was chosen to do was illusion. The definition of illusion. Illusion is a brief and indirect reference to a person, place, thing, or idea of historical, cultural, literary, or political significance. It does not describe in detail the person or thing to which it refers. The example I chose to do of illusion was Achilles' heel. Achilles was a figure in Greek mythology who was a hero of the Trojan War. He was said to be invulnerable except for at his heel. Thus, when Paris shot Achilles in his heel, the wound proved mortal. The term Achilles' heel now refers to a strong person's one point of weakness. And then also considering what we've been reading in class, when I think about The Watchmen, I think about like the opening scenes when Rorschach is looking through the comedian's apartment and then he finds his costume. That illusion kind of points us to our comparison with him to Captain America. Captain America was very similar to the comedian in that he also worked for the government, which the comedian did later in his life after he was a vigilante. Also, when thinking about The Watchmen, the pirate's narrative, I kind of think of that as illusion because when you think about that narrative, his life, doesn't really just kind of goes all downhill, and that's how it happens in The Watchmen. But the end result is that a lot of people have to die in order for the bombs to not hit America. So you think about the ending, really not good in either of those tales. And in the significance of illusion, illusion is supposed to create intertextuality as the author brings in other works to the writing. Alright, well that's the end of the video. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good day.